Hello from Colman and Company. We start at the end showing off our digital heat effects label because we are proud to show you how we created this custom vinyl logo for our sport headband. Now we used our cut and press system to create and cut out our vinyl transfers for this bright lime green headband. We are weeding out all of the transfers for the white part of the design first, and as you can see I've made 2 copies, which of course is enough for 2 headbands. Now, weeding the lettering like this doesn't have to be a hassle. Just make sure you choose a pick with a nice sharp tip like this one, and choose a high quality vinyl like our Triton, so you'll be able to do the majority of your weeding in just one pull. Then all you have to do is take out the little inner letter portions like I'm doing here. And we're done. Let's snip it and let me place it in the right position. Good. Now onto the black lettering. Again, with Triton, you just simply start at the corner, and with one pull, you're almost done. Watch this. Nice. Again, just a little attention to the inner parts of the letters, and you can easily pick those off and get right to the good stuff, which are the letters that you're going to keep. Now, some fonts leave a little more letter tags than others, so make sure you play with Serif and Sans Serif fonts to see which worked best with your designs and logos. That way, you know whether you can do a quick pull or you'll want to take your time for more intricate fonts. Alright, and we're almost done with this. Again, I've done 2, so here we go. Snip, and for placement. Now I'll line it up and make sure I like the placement. Alright, yeah, looks good. Now using a Teflon pillow, I'm going to place the headband around this Teflon pillow to make sure that it doesn't cause any transfer issues. Sometimes the seams get a little bit in the way. Now when I close it, it's going to simply squish into the pillow. Now I'll place the first color of my design onto my headband. I'll start with the white lettering since that's the largest. There we go. Now using the Hottronics Fusion, I'm going to press for 1 second at 302 degrees Fahrenheit to tack down the first color. That's all it needs. And then, right after opening, I can peel that while it's still nice and hot. Then using the second and final color in this design, I'm going to press for the full 10 seconds. This is going to finish the vinyl application. Perfect. Using a silicone sheet to protect my heat press. Here we go. And now the peeling of the second transfer. And we're done. Look at that. Vinyl transfer is complete. Now, finally where we began. Here we're applying our own custom digital heat effects logo to the back of this headband. It really is a fantastic idea to promote your own business, your client's business, even washing instructions in just a little over a minute. First, line up your band. Here we're using the Hottronics cap press, so great utilization there. We're going to line up our logo and use some heat transfer tape to make sure it stays in place. Now we're going to cover with a flexible finishing sheet and for 30 seconds to apply. Now I do leave it on just a couple extra seconds when using the flexible finishing sheet to make sure that it grips on nicely. Alright, and now we'll pull it off of the press to let it cool for a few moments. Alright, and now it's time to peel. Let's remove the transfer. Great. Look at that. Alright, final press to complete the job. Cover with that flexible finishing sheet one last time, and here we go. In just a few moments, you'll have it. A custom vinyl design on an athletic headband, both with custom logo and custom logo within the back. Make sure to call us at Colman and Company to see how you can finance the full system for yourself at 800-891-1094. Talk to you soon.